What's up, guys? So check out these fans and air conditioner Costco has on sale right now. First of all, this Dyson Pure Cool Link. This is one of the cooler fanless designs that Dyson's coming out with. It is a little pricey, but look at that thing. It's kind of just awesome to look at. It blows a lot more air than you would think, and it kind of just like wafts it. It doesn't just smash in your face. It is $2.99, but that's $100 cheaper than it normally is. Now, for more of a budget unit, they have this Omni Breeze fan that's 40 inches tall. It's pretty good little setup. I've tried fans like this, and for the money, you can't really go wrong. 30 bucks. Now, more of a traditional fan, this guy is going to concentrate air just more in one spot, not as diffused as a regular tower fan. And it's going to move a decent amount of air for 40 bucks. Now, this guy's cool. So basically what you do is attach it to a windowsill and then seal everything up. It sucks in air from the outside, or you can be used as an exhaust fan. It's a cool little setup and an alternative to one of those window ACs. I'll have one of those in a second. Now, this little guy, this little miniature Vornado desk fan, I have used this before. They had demos of it. It moves quite a bit of air for what it is. It's a little on the noisy side, but not too bad. For $20, you can't really go wrong. Now, more of a traditional AC unit. For $470, this DeLonghi unit is a nice setup. So it's a lot sleeker than the window mounted ones, as you see on the left. I'll have that in a second. But this guy is going to be easy to move from room to room. Setup is easy. You don't have to brace anything. Basically, all you do is set down the actual unit, which looks a lot like a trash can, really. And then it has an exhaust hose that you're going to put in the window, as you can see in the photo there, and that's pretty much it. You can set it up in your living room and then move it to your bedroom, whatever your scenario is. Everyone's a little different. It is a little pricey at $470, but it cools 500 square feet, comes with the 3-year warranty, and again, much sleeker and easier. $470. All right, much cheaper than $470 is this window AC unit. It covers 350 square feet, comes with the 2-year warranty, but it's less than half the price. This is, again, more the traditional setup with 8,000 BTUs. If you look at it, it reminds you a lot of Dexter. Look at that. Remember on the show where he would store his little blood slides on a little AC unit like that? So this is a modern version of that. It comes with Google Home and then Alexa control. So it's an internet connected AC unit for $200. Again, a little bit of prep work, but once you're done, you're done. Can't really go wrong for 200 bucks. Now this DeWalt shop fan, and then the incident that happened right after. So I was just here, minding my own business, making this little video for this $129 DeWalt drum fan, which again is a great deal. This thing's gonna be loud as all heck and take up a lot of room, but it's gonna move a whole lot of air when you need it moved. It's good for big areas, garages, shops, whatever. But check out what happened next. Bam! Alarm went off, fire alarm that is, and we had to evacuate. We had our little dog with us who had just got back from the groomer, so they tied that rainbow bandana on her. Awkward, but we didn't want to leave her in the car, even though we have the Tesla, so we brought her along. And we've never been evacuated out of a Costco. We've been to countless Costcos, but hey, what are the odds? I was recording and we had our pup with us. Just how it works out sometimes. But all was safe. Fire department came, checked everything out. False alarm. All right, but that's going to do it for this one. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for lots more videos like this. I do these types of videos. We travel to Costco and just see what they have available for sale. All right, until next time, peace.